viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. So last class we discussed about sum of the squares and the difference of the two numbers and its squares and difference of square of two numbers. So now we have to see cube of sum of two numbers and the cube of difference of two numbers. Before that I need to show the cube tables and then cube rules. So you have to follow it 1 cube to 10 cube. You have to know the value means it's very easy to find out the cubic value. So 1 cube 1, 2 cube it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 8. So 3 cube you get 27, 4 cube 64. So up to 10 cube you get 1000. So you need to follow this table 1 to 10. Already I told before you enter into the identities to find out the squaring value, just you have to know the squares and cube. So 1 cube to 10 cube you have to memorize it, and I have to move on to the rule of cube. So these are all the unit digit of the number, these are all the unit digit of the cubed number. So this is normal number. For example, the number it should be 11. So the cubic unit digit of 11 is 1. So 11 cube we get the answer. So 1 becomes 1. So the value of 11 cube is also ends with 1. So that is the rule. Unit digit of a number. So unit digit of a number is 0. The cubic value unit digit is also 0. So here I take the same values, it becomes as a unit digit when you have to cubic the value. For example, 9. I just did 9 cube in the sense 9 into 9 into 9. 9 can be multiple into 3 times. You get 729. In this value the unit digit also 9. So that's why I told if the number ends with 1, the cubic value is also ends with 1. The number ends with 4, the cubic value is also ends with 4. 5 means 5. 6, 6. 9, 9. So these are all the numbers and we have to cube it. We get the same number in the unit digit in the cubic value also. And this one is different. If the number ends with 2, the cubic value of that number ends with 8. If the number ends with 8, the cubic value ends with 2. Just you compare. You have to cube the 2 means you get 8. But you should cube the value of 8, you get 2. So that's why I explained a number ends with 8, the cubic value ends with 2. The number ends with 2, the cubic value ends with 8. So that's why I put the double arrow marker. 2 becomes 8, 8 becomes 2. The same way, 3 becomes 7, 7 becomes 7. The number ends with 3, the cubic value of that value is ends with 7. The number ends with 7, the cubic value of the number ends with 3. You see, 3, the value of 3 cube is 27. The cubic value of number 3 is ends with 7. The cubic value of 7, it should be ends with 3. So this is the rule to follow. So it is very easy method to find out the cube root. Okay, so now we move on to the example sum. So today we discuss the two identities that should be already I told cube of sum of two numbers and a cube of difference of two numbers. Difference means subtraction, sum means addition. So x plus y the whole cube, this is the expansion, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. In your book it should be simplify it. They have to given x cube plus y cube. Commonly they take it out to 3xy commonly, and it becomes x plus y, 3xy into x plus y and 3xy into x minus y, like that. Okay, so you have to follow. This one is also very easy. So now we see the example number 22 Write the following cubes in the expanded form. 3a plus 4b the whole cube, 5p minus 3q the whole cube. So one by one we have to see the solution. The first question. 3a plus 4b the whole cube. Solution. So now you see 3a plus 4b the whole cube, it can be, which is equal to x plus y the whole cube. Here x equal to 3a, y equal to 4b. That's all. So now you have to expand it. X plus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. The same way, just we have to substitute the value of x and y, and you have to follow the expansion. So 3a plus 4b the whole square, the x cube in the sense 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube plus 3 into x to the square. X means 3a. 3a square into y as it is same the 4b. So 3 into a x into y plus 3 into x value, it should be 3a, into y value is 4b, it should be squared. Okay, so now we have to substitute x, y value on the basis of the expansion. Now already I told the value of 3 cube. Here you should cube the value variable and also the constant. 3a, we say it as that whole value is a variable because we substitute any of the value a, it should be changed. So because of that 3a, here you should convert, you should cube the number and also the variable. So first you take 3. What is the value of 3 cube? 27. A, it should be a cube. 4u cube, you get 64. B cube plus 3 into, here 3 3s are 9, a square into 4b. So I put the whole bracket for this plus 3 into 3a into 4 can be squared. Here it gave a cube. So we have to multiply this number into 3 times. So here we have a square. You have to multiply this number into 2 times. So 4 into 4, 16. So 16 b square, I put the whole bracket. Now 27 a cube plus 64 b cube plus 3 into 9 into 4. So 3 9s are 27. 27 into 4. So 27 into 4, how much? 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. And then 4 2s are 8. 10. So it should be 108. A square into b. A square b. Plus 3 3s are 9. 9 into 16. How much? So 9 into 16. 6 9s are 54. Remaining 5. 9 ones are 9 and 5 you get 144. A into b square, ab square. So now you get x cube, y cube, x square y and x y square. This is the format. So directly we written 3a plus 4b the whole cube, which is equal to 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108a square b plus 144a b square. The same way we move on to the second question by using cube of difference of a number, that should be x minus y the whole cube. So second question, 5p minus 3q whole cube. So it can be written in the form of the solution 5p minus 3q whole cube, which is equal to x minus y the whole cube. X equal to 5p and then y equal to 3q. So what is the value? X minus y the whole cube, the expansion is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here we should substitute the value of x and y directly. So 5p minus 3q whole cube, which is equal to a cube. So that should be 5p the whole cube minus 3q whole cube minus 3 into x square. 5p whole square into y, it should be 3q, and then plus 3 into 5p into 3q whole square. So as usual method, you should cube the values. What is the value of 5 cube? 5 cube in the sense 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25, 25 into 5, 125. So 125 p cube minus 27 q cube minus 3 into 5 5 are 25 p square into 3q plus 3 into 5p into 9q square. So the value 125 p cube minus 27 q cube. So 3 into 25, you get 75. 75 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 5 remaining 1, 7 3s are so 225. So 75, and it should be multiplied with 3, 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 22, so 225. So 225 p square cube plus 3 5s are 15, 15 into 9, so 15 into 9. So in a normal way it's very difficult, so 15 into 5, just you think it should be 10 and 5. 9 10s are 90, 9 5s are 45. Now you get 135. The value is 135, that's all. 135 p q square. Now you get x cube minus y cube minus x square y plus x y square. So directly we get the answer 5p minus 3q the whole cube. It is equal to x minus y the whole cube. So next we move on to example number 23. Example number 23, evaluate each of the following using suitable identities: 104 cube and 999 the whole cube. So how it is possible? You know x plus y and x minus y, but how it is possible to find this one? You have to expand the value. So already you know the expansion. So 1 into 100, 0 into 10, 4 into 1. This is one of the expansion. Here you have to round up the value. 104. It should be more than 100. So it can be written in the form 100 plus 4. But 999, it should be less than 1000. So which one rounded value is near to this? So here the near value is 100, not 1000. But here 1000 is the near round of value. So it should be written as 1000 minus 1. It should be written as 100 plus 4. Now you get the identities x plus y the whole cube and x minus y the whole cube. So one by one I show the solution. First question, 104 whole cube. Solution. So 104 whole cube, it can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. So you know that it is which is equal to x plus y the whole cube. So x which is equal to 100 and then y which is equal to 4. So now you just expand the identities, x plus y the whole cube. So x cube plus y cube plus, here I am using the shortcut form. So before that I expand it, 3x square y plus 3x y square. So you have to use this. It's very easy to calculate x cube plus y cube. In this 2, 3x is common, 3xy is common. So remaining x is there, here y is there, x plus y. So here very easy to calculate by using the number. So now I have to substitute the value for x and y. 100 plus 4 the whole cube, which is equal to x cube. So 100 whole cube plus 4 whole cube plus 3 into 100 into 4. So this is one of the set. It should be 3 into x into y. Here x plus y. 100 plus 4. Okay, now just I have to substitute the value. So 100 cube simply we have to return the 1 is always 1. 1 always 1. How many zeros is there? 2. So it can be triple. Okay, so 100 into 100 into 100. So zeros can be repeated 3 times. How many zeros is there? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros can be repeated 3 times. 2 3s are 6, it becomes 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you see, what is this? 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 100 you have to cube it, you get 10 lakh. Plus 4 cube, you know the value, 64. Plus 3 into 100, 300. So 300 into 4. So just you use this 20 as it is same. Now you multiple the number. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So you get 1200 into 100 plus 4, 104. Now 10 lakh plus 64 plus 1200 into 104. So how you have to write it? You got the value 1,24,800. So simply you have to add these three values. What you get? So 10 lakh, it should be 1,24,000. So 11,24,800. So plus 64. So 11,24,864 is the answer. So you should cube the value of 104. You get the value, it should be 11,24,864. By using identities, it's very simple to calculate. Next we move on to the second question, 999. 999 whole cube. So this one can be written in the form, it should be the round of value is 1000 minus 1 the whole cube. So here we have to use the identities x minus y the whole cube. So x minus y the whole cube, which is equal to x cube minus y cube plus minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here x equal to 1000, y equal to 1. So directly you substitute it, 1000 minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, so next condition, it should be x cube 1000 the whole cube minus y should be 1 minus 3 into 1000 whole square into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 square. So now you have to cube the value of 1000. So 1 become 1. So 30 can be tripled. So how many times? 3, 3, 3. It should be, it becomes 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what's the value? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore and 100 crore. It should be 100 crore. And cube, 1 can be cubed, you get 1 cube minus 1 and minus 3 into 1000 can be squared, you get it should be doubled the zeros, it should be 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs into 1. So now 3 into 1000, 3000, 1 can be squared the same, it should be 3000. So the value should be 100 crore minus 1 minus 3 into 10 lakh. So it should be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore and 100 crore minus 1. Here 10 lakh into 1, it should be 10 lakh only minus 30 lakhs. It should be 30 lakhs plus 3000. Now you should normally add and subtract the value, you get the final answer. So the value is 99 crore 70 lakhs 2,999. So okay students, I have to attach the worksheet on the basis of this problems, sum of the cube, sum of the two numbers and its cubes, and difference of the two number and its cubes. Okay, you finish it on A4 sheet. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.